Today's tech tip is geological modelling part 3. In putting those patterns that you've seen together into some sort of shape, one of the steps in doing that is coding your data. And the first stage of coding is to group it effectively. Lithology you might group into strat fields. Grade you might group into grade bins. And then once you've done that, you can start making individual selections of those into the elements. And the elements you want to create might be veins, they might be intrusion models, they might be 2D cross sections, whatever you like, whatever you want to represent them. But in terms of the modelling, it's important to create initial models and then review them and change and edit as your understanding of the deposit grows. And don't be afraid to change your initial interps. The first one may be right, but generally can do with some editing. And then when you've got to the point where you've made a few of these pieces, how do they fit together? And get some peer review, get another pair of eyes, get someone else to review it and see whether they have the same opinion on you on what joins together. And if that is looking good, then you'd go back and validate all your models and check that they fit together. Run a logic test on them and see if they pass those logic tests. And if they do, then you're all good to go. See you in the next tip.